Hello everyone and welcome to Chinese with Pei. 我是Pei 老师. In this video we're going to start into talking about where we're from. As far as like where on earth are we from. So we're going to this whole video is going to be kind of a video on nouns. So these are fairly important nouns. So the first one we're going to go over is, well, it's got a simplified and a traditional form. So the traditional looks really complicated, but that's because I wrote it really small. So I wrote it bigger up here. You can kind of see all the strokes a little bit better. But the simplified is like that. And this is guo, guo. And guo means a country or a kingdom. Guo, guo. And it kind of looks like a map if you look at it. Where you got these roads and like a building. And down here you it looks like a map still, where there's still like, it's like a street map. It's guo, guo, country or kingdom. So okay. So the next one, which we've covered this in the radical videos, in the character videos, but not as an official vocabulary word for the lessons. This is ren, ren, and ren means person or people or human or that kind of thing. Ren, ren, ren. And this is really important, especially when talking about where you're from. And one important thing about talking about where you're from is talking about countries, knowing how to talk about countries. An important country to know how to talk about in Chinese is, believe it or not, Zhongguo, or China. So again, we already covered the simplified for guo. So Zhongguo, Zhongguo, the middle kingdom, middle country. Zhongguo, and it kind of came from an ancient belief held by many different peoples that their country was the center of the universe. So that's kind of where that comes from. Zhongguo, Zhongguo. This is just one of the names of China. There's actually a few different names for China, but this is the most common. Zhongguo, Zhongguo. And if you add ren to the end, 中国人, a Chinese person. 中国人. 我不是中国人. I'm not Chinese. 我不是中国人. Now, not every country has the word 国 in its name. An example, this is also an important country to know about in Chinese. Two new characters. Zhiben, Zhiben. or Japan. 日本. It literally means the origin of the sun, or the sun's origin. Because Japan is east of China, and the sun rises in the east, sets in the west, so it's the origin of the sun. 日本, 日本. Someone from China, someone from Japan, a Japanese person is a 日本人, 日本人, 日本人. 我也不是日本人. Excuse me. Yawning. 日本人, 日本人. So 日本, Japan. Alright, and the last country name we're going to go over in this video is kind of more paying homage to my most plentiful viewers. The vast majority of my viewers at the time of the recording of this video are from this country. Okay.美国is the United States. 美国. 美 means beautiful. 美国, because 美 kind of sounds like the mayor in America. So 美国. 我是美国人. I am an American. 我是美国人. So yeah. So we're going to go over in the next few videos a few more country names so that you can kind of talk about different countries and things. But we're definitely not going to do all of them for the basics playlist. But if you guys give me enough comments at requesting more country names, I'll create a separate playlist where I just go over country names. I'd love to do that for you. I just don't know that it would be helpful for the basics playlist. So if you guys do want to see that, let me know, please, in the comments, and we'll definitely do that for you. And if this video was helpful, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions or any special topics you'd like us to cover, please let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Or let me know by messaging me on Facebook, on Twitter, or on YouTube. And we'll see you next time on Chinese with Pei. 再见.